We live in a disposable culture, littered with single-use products. Wet wipes are being bought, used and flushed into the depths of our sewers. But we do see the problems they cause. They flood our homes, pollute our waters, and harm our precious wildlife. And when the wipes include plastics, the damage is even greater. At Welsh Water, we face a constant struggle. Hour by hour, day by day, we work to clear blockages to keep the sewers flowing and our water clean. We are asking the Welsh Government to ban wipes that contain plastic. This will help keep our environment alive. I live in the community I serve. I swim in the same seas. I follow the same rivers. I care because it's my environment too. Wales has a proud history of leading when it comes to caring for our land, seas and waters. Let's wipe out plastics in wipes.